Creating professional product mockups usually requires advanced design skills, but with this free AI tool, you can create realistic mockups in just a few clicks. To get started, open any browser and search for mocky.ai. Open the website and tap on the Upload Design option. Now select the design from your device that you want to turn into a mockup. Once your design is uploaded, explore the library and choose a mockup that matches your product style. For example, if your design is for a phone case, you can select a phone case mockup from the available options. Browse through different designs and choose the one that looks perfect for your product. After selecting the mockup, you can easily adjust your design, resize it, and position it according to your preference to make it look more realistic. Once everything looks perfect, simply click on the Download button to save your final mockup. Now you can use these AI-generated product mockups for online stores, social media, presentations, or marketing materials without needing Photoshop or any advanced editing skills.